Aldehydes and ketones, lecture number 14. Now in this lecture we are going to study the fourth reaction, that is again an addition reaction with an alcohol. Actually you have to take excess of alcohol because we have used two molecules of alcohol. The reaction would be very similar with the aldehyde as well as a ketone. So purposely I have written in the way you will write the reaction. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे मैंने अल्डिहाइड लिखा है, राइट हैंड साइड पे मैंने कीटोन लिखा है, राइट. So I have written the general reactions. You can take the example later on. Now an aldehyde when reacts with an alcohol, the reaction is a reversible reaction, and then in the presence of an acid, what is it converted to? It is converted to hemiacetal. It is a complete addition reaction. You can see double bond O की तरफ हो गया OH and OR dash gets attached to the carbon. It is hemi मतलब half of the acetal is formed in the reaction, so it is called as hemiacetal. Now where again it reacts with the second molecule of alcohol, and then ये OH जो है water molecule is removed and then it is converted to acetal. That is the reaction. The very similar reaction I have written with a ketone, same, but then I have written the reaction directly with the ketone. A ketone when reacts with the alcohol molecule, same, what is formed? It is directly I have written ketal. वहां पे अल्डिहाइड है तो मिलेगा एसिटल, वहां पे कीटोन है वहां पे मिलेगा कीटाल. So these are the reactions with an aldehyde or a ketone reacting with the alcohol. Two molecules of alcohol. The intermediate would be hemiacetal and the end product is acetal. Now the same reaction, the ketone ka reaction I have written with a dihydric alcohol. Dihydric, it contains two OH groups, so it is a dihydric alcohol. So like for example ethylene glycol, it is the example of a dihydric alcohol. So when it reacts with a ketone, again the reaction is a reversible reaction. In the presence of H plus, there is a removal of water molecule converted to a cyclic ketal. अगर कीटोन के साथ रिएक्शन है साइक्लिक कंपाउंड मिला, इसलिए वी हैव रिटन इट इज अ साइक्लिक कीटाल. अगर अल्डिहाइड है तो मिलेगा साइक्लिक एसिटिल. नाउ अगेन आई हैव रिटन ओनली द जनरल रिएक्शन. एग्जांपल्स यू कैन वेरी वेल राइट. एसिटाल्डिहाइड लिखा तो यहाँ पे CH3 आएगा, प्रोपेनॉल लिखा तो यहाँ पे C2H5 आएगा. दैट इज द ओनली डिफरेंस. इफ यू आर like well versed with the nomenclature, आपको कमांड है nomenclature पे, and you have to, because otherwise you can't proceed with the reactions of organic chemistry. And so that's all, that is a general reaction. अभी इसका mechanism है, and that mechanism I would explain in the next lecture. The mechanism of hemiacetal and acetal का mechanism expected in the board exam, that I will be explaining in the next lecture.